And Chris, do not let the weather deter you, right?
Exactly. The snow shower activity this morning will be tapering off toward noon, and that's when our toy drive starts. So we timed it just perfect. You know, you have had a great storm when you have a snow stake that looks like this. Crested Butte, the stake is buried. You can't even hardly see it there. Beautiful liquid gold. Not as much snow here in the metro area. John Bates, our weather watcher in Cold Creek Canyon, just 1/10 of an inch, but he is a snow hound. I wouldn't be surprised if he's out making a few snow angels this morning. We have a band of snow from the foothills out to the plains. It's now over DIA. So looks like we may end up getting that 1/10 of an inch that we need. Just enough snow falling to cover those roadways. This band does extend out into Morgan County. So in the Fort Morgan area, you have a little bit of light snow as well. The bulk of the snow still in the high country, and that's where it's going to remain through your morning into the early afternoon. Here's FUTURECAST. As we go through time, you're going to kind of notice the storm pulling away from the state. We'll see a few snow showers from time to time on the eastern plains. High country, you'll have off and on snow into your afternoon. The warnings and advisories do go through 6 o'clock, 3 to 7 inches additional up there. Some spots could get up to a foot. Tomorrow it turns windy. We have a high wind watch for the Front Range foothills. Some places could gust as high as 70 miles per hour. Today's the toy drive. Don't let the morning snow deter you. It will be tapering off. Toward the noon hour, it will be blustery this afternoon, but it's a drive-through. So you can just pull up, drop off your toy, and we'll pick it up. Here's your 5-day forecast. We start a warming trend this weekend. Look at Sunday. I think I have finally figured out the snow drought. It's those Broncos. Every home game this season has been in the 50s and 60s, and that is what we expect on Sunday.
Yeah, thanks, Broncos.
Right.
I mean, I don't know if it's a thanks, Broncos, or a thanks, Broncos.
It's good football weather.
Yeah, it
True.
is. It is. It's good for the fans who go out to the games. All right, right now, though,